Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning school related vocabulary in Korean language. In the first part, we learned the names of various levels of school education from kindergarten to university. So if you have not watched the first part yet, then you can go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now in the part 2, we are going to learn the names of different subjects taught in school. So let's start with the second part. Here comes the Korean word for subject, and that is 과목. 과목. Okay, next let's see how to say science in Korean, and that is 과학. 과학. Here comes the Korean word for math, and that is 수학. 수학. Now let's see how you're going to say history in Korean, and that is 역사. 역사. Okay, next comes the Korean word for geography, and that is 지리학. 지리학. Now let's see how you're going to say chemistry in Korean, and that is 화학. 화학. Next comes the Korean word for physics, and that is 물리학. 물리학. Okay, next let's see the word for biology in Korean, and that is 생물학. 생물학. Next comes the Korean word for the subject of social studies, and that is 사회학. 사회학. Okay, now let's see the next one, and that is the Korean word for art. It is 미술. 미술. Next comes the subject music, which is one of the favorite subjects of Korean people, and in Korean it is called embark. Embark. Okay, next let's see the Korean word for literature, and that is 문학. 문학. Next comes the Korean word for the subject of physical education, that is PE, and it is called 체육. 체육. Okay, next let's see what is the word for Korean language, that is the native language of Korean people, and it is called 국어. 국어. Okay, next comes the Korean word for foreign language, and that is 외국어. 외국어. Okay, now let's see how you're going to say English in Korean language, and that is 영어. 영어. So today we learned the names of different subjects in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.